hell are you kids watching?
It's Itchy and Scratchy.
Our favorite show.
Well, you're not watching it.
Aw, Dad.
Come on, Homer.
Nope, it's too violent. Go do something else.
Now I'm really bored.
I know. Dun 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 dun. It's The Bart Simpson Show, starring Bart Simpson, featuring the Bart Simpson Orchestra and the Bart Simpson Dancers. And now, here's the star of our show, Bart Simpson. Thanks, Ed. Funny thing happened on the way to the studio tonight. I ran over my dad's head on my bike.
I thought I told you kids not to watch violent TV.
It's stupid, but it's not violent.
Oh, yeah?
Bart? Why, you little...
Whoa, gotta run. Good night, folks.